Hi, this is the Human Operating System time. This channel is for education and technology. So yesterday I shared on the fifth issue from heart, the Wing Chun 1850s version and the Shaolin short strike version. And after that, many of our Wing Chun friends contacted me, discussed with me, chat with me, want to get verification so that they understand what I'm talking about. And it turns out that many of our Wing Chun friends actually being trapped. It's very sad, it's a tragic, being trapped in those Taiji, Song, or all kinds of mind power, spine power, all kinds of stuff, okay? So they really lost track of what I'm talking about, the fifth issue from heart, as I explained in the other video, and also they don't have the idea of strength, power, momentum, the recycling of momentum, which is the teaching of the ancient, which is you can map in today's sports science. So today I'd like to share with you what it is. It's very simple stuff because it has to be simple so that we can use it. If we don't it's not simple, it's all this song and all this, you have to be so song to have this fifth issue from heart or the mind power, whatever power. Man, nobody can do that, okay? Because nobody really know what the heck is that anyway, okay? So, fifth issue from heart, according to the Shaolin short strike Wing Chun 1850, is very simple. Think about, I am a robot. I am a robot, intelligent robot. I have two machine guns here. This is my aiming device on my sight. So the robot is doing one thing. Whatever attack to the robot will move in an angle while the sight or the aiming device is aiming at the opponent and it machine gun it. And then if the opponent attack at this position, the robot will move to another position with still the aiming device is aiming at the opponent and machine gun him. Okay? Of course the machine gun is for this side, right? So that's all. So fifth issue from heart is meaning that the robot is always, the robot's machine gun is always following the sight or the aiming device. Wherever the aiming device tracking, the machine gun is going to shoot there. Okay? And of course, now have to be watch out. This robot is moving whenever the opponent attack the robots. The robot always moving while it's keeping tracking with the aiming device. And once it track, it is going to machine gun the object which is this aiming device is aiming at. And so the robot is keeping moving, boom, 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 always moving, and shooting, moving, shooting. That's how it is. That's what fifth issue from heart means. Got nothing to do with the closest between 2 points, the straight line, the center line. This is nothing to do with that. It's just I'm going to track the heck out of you while I'm moving. And the aiming device is installed in this heart area while my two machine gun is here. Okay, so hopefully this is clear. So you can see from here the short strike art is actually moving, aiming, shooting, attack it from the machine gun, and of course from the knee too. It's going to moving, attack here, with this thing as the aiming. And they keeping going angle. So it's like those intelligent robots. Okay? So please don't thinking that what I'm talking about, you have to be strong, have the mind power, have the whatever, structural power, all those kind of stuff, okay? Got nothing to do with that, okay? So hopefully this clear thing up. The second thing is, this is a bungee cord here, really strong bungee cord. If I exert my force to pull it, then this is strength, right? I need to have a strength here. This is a strength. I need to exert a strength here, okay? Or using my strength, I have to generate a strength. This is called strength. So if I have strength, I can pull this bungee cord, okay? Pull this far. This is strength, okay? Now, if I want to pull it up there, I need strength, right? There's strength, right? It's more or less that my body don't have to be moved. I can be stationary holding this with the strength. Now, what is power? Power is how rapid I can exert this strength. So, how rapid I can exert this strength, that's power. Okay? How rapid I can exert that strength, that's power. Okay? So this is a strength, hold on it. I use strength to hold on it. Power means that's another component. How fast I can exert that strength. Okay? Now, momentum. If you look at this strength, it is stationary, I can exert the strength. I can hold on it. This is dynamic. How fast I can exert the strength. If I don't move my body, right? This is all muscle. I don't move my body, muscle and my joint. Momentum is when I'm moving forward to exert that strength. You see, I'm moving forward, the entire body go. So momentum is mass multiplied by velocity. Okay, that's momentum. Now you are moving, the entire entity is moving. Now, recycling's momentum is meaning I move out here, okay, and then I can turn to the other side. That is how the recycling. So my body move out there and I can recycle it. Say for example, okay, go and turn right away. I don't have to be doing this. Stop. Turning by direction and strike here. So this is momentum, moving backward and forward, there's momentum handling. Okay? And you're moving from here, there's momentum handling too. So recycling momentum meaning I go like this and without has to be stopped. I go and I turn right away. Using the momentum, I go forward, recycle it back, spin it, shoot up, deliver another momentum. That's recycling of momentum. Okay? So in any real combat situations, you need the strength. If you don't have the strength, you couldn't even have to sustain or to hold anything. You need the power, meaning how fast you can exert the strength. You need the momentum because it's moving, keeping. And on top of this moving, this momentum, of course, comes the power and the force and everything. And then you need the recycling momentum so that you be able to flow from one position to another position. Okay? So, thinking about our robot, intelligent robot. So I'm a robot. You say, okay, exert a force for say 10 kilo. And then you say, okay, now exert a power. Okay, that's how fast it can go, how rapid it can exert that. And then you say, okay, now exert a momentum. You move forward, and then say exert a recycling momentum. It's just going, keeping going this non-stop. Okay, that's how it is. Think about this robot. So okay, adding up the fist issue from heart, meaning that you can exert from here. Always this hand is aim or sight based on this heart area, this two machine gun, and the body is always moving. That is how it is. Okay, so don't get into those qi yi, using yi, not using qi, using strength or whatever, whoever. I don't even know what the heck is that. Okay, now the reason I brought out this iso chain is so that we know if I want to exert a strength, you hear the beat. Now, if I want to exert a strength fast, right? Very fast, exert it. Sustain a strength. Okay? So it's all quantized. Now, I can move around with the strength there. Which is supposed to keep the beeping no matter what. I move around. Instead of stop, move another move. Stop. Okay, so all quantized, so you know that the strength, the power, and the momentum, and the recycle momentum. So if I do something like I've broken, when I move, I've broken that you don't hear me, you don't hear the beep anymore. Okay, see? When I don't have that beep, you know that my handling of momentum while I'm moving, I have no smooth transition. Supposedly, no matter how I move, if I be able to use my momentum, recycle momentum, the beep is consistently there. Okay, so with that you can quantize the entire thing and you know exactly what it is. So this is what I'd like to share with you today. Hopefully this clean everything up. It is really tough to explain. You cannot develop what I want. What I show you just now, standing 一级 I'm not doing this. No way. Saw, fudging. No way. Mind power, structure, no way. And that's why you look at traditional Chinese martial art, whoever go fight Xi Xiaodong, whoever get KO. If you don't develop this kind of stuff, as the ancient ancestor is teaching, we really live in some kinds of delusional or fantasy zone. Okay? This is a T2 which is using in MMA. You know this is iso. So this is our modern device using in real life. We want to use this as standard. Not some grandmasters say that this is internal power, chi power, this power, that power, but nobody know what the heck, how can measure it. And now with this we can measure it. That's why I just now show you. Okay? So this is to share with you today. Hopefully that just clean up the thing. And that's why the Restricting Wing Chun, I share all of this from the teaching of the Shaolin, the Qigong, the Shaolin, the 1850s, Wing Chun, to all this training, functional training, momentum, recycling momentum. If we don't know this, we are not really living in the real world. So this is to share with you today.